back to another video on the channel where today, this is going to be kind of a different video because I've never done a version of content like this, but today I want to explain about how to fix your AirPods if only one works. Now, I already know what you guys are going to say when you're like, well, people already know that you hold the button on the back for 15 seconds and then the orange light comes on and then you reconnect them and all this and that should fix them. So really what you need is that you need your pair of AirPods and you need another pair of AirPods. Now, I know not a lot of people have two pairs of AirPods. It's not a flex. I don't have two pairs of AirPods. It's just another family member has another one. But basically, if you could find a friend or a family member that has another pair of AirPods, then you're set to do this tutorial. So basically what you need to do is take the one pair of AirPods that you have and take the one ear that doesn't work completely, put in the other pair of AirPods, and then you'll see on the pair of AirPods the light flash orange or like an amberish color. So basically then what you do is that you hold the button on the back until the light flashes white, then you connect it to your device, and then you should be able to hear out of both AirPods. Then what you do is that you just put the other AirPod, the broken one that was broken inside one of your pair of AirPods, back into the pair of AirPods. And then you just reconnect them because the orange light will then turn on, meaning that they are completely factory reset from their original when they were sold to you. You hold the back, and then on your phone, if you have an iPhone, will show the little animation of the AirPods opening up the case. Then you hit connect, put them in your ears, and it should work. This is a very, very simple tutorial if you do have two pairs of AirPods. I am just saying this. This is an easy way to fix them. Like, it's not that hard to just be like, hey, dude, can I borrow your pair of AirPods for like 5 minutes? Like, it's an easy way to save $150 if you've tried to reset the AirPods over and over and over again, or clean the case, or whatever online tells you to do. Because I've looked at articles on Apple, and they don't say anything about this. And I think it honestly is best for you guys to do this if you can. And I'm sorry if you guys can't, because I would hate to spend another $150 for AirPods. Anyway, guys, that's all for this tutorial video. If you guys want to see more tutorial videos in the future, then please let me know down in the comments, and please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and for daily content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.